If you want to watch this recipe in Hindi, then check the link below in description box and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Methi paneer malai. It is rich and creamy restaurant style curry made with Indian cottage cheese and fresh fenugreek leaves. So let's see what we need for this. To make Methi paneer malai, we need 200 grams paneer, that is Indian cottage cheese, 1 cup of fresh fenugreek leaves, that is methi. To clean this, just separate the leaves from the stalks and then soak them in water for 15 minutes so that all the dirt in it will settle down at the bottom. Then take the leaves out and rinse it couple of times and then roughly chop them. 2 medium-sized onions sliced, 2 large tomatoes de-seeded and roughly chopped, 1 green chilli, half-inch piece ginger, 5 cloves of garlic. In powdered spices, we need 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. In whole spices, we need 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 cup cream, 3 tablespoon oil, 6 to 8 cashews, 1/4 teaspoon sugar and salt to taste. First, we need to make masala paste. For that, we need to heat a tablespoon oil in a pan. Then add in whole spices, bay leaf, cardamom and cinnamon. Wait for few seconds. And then add ginger, garlic, green chili and cashews. You can add more green chili to make it spicy. Saute on medium flame for a minute. Now add sliced onions. Saute this on medium flame till the onions become soft. Now onions have become soft and translucent. Now in goes tomatoes. Cook this further till the tomatoes become soft. Tomatoes have turned soft. Now take this out in a grinding jar and wait for it to cool down before grinding. Once everything is cooled down, grind this into fine paste. Pass this through a sieve to get a smooth fine paste. Now that our masala paste is ready, let's start making the curry. For this, in the same pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil on medium flame. Once oil is hot, add cumin seeds and wait for few seconds till they change color. Then add chopped methi. Cook this on medium flame for 5 minutes. Now lower the flame completely and add powdered spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Let this cook for a minute. Now add this onion and tomato puree. Also add salt and sugar. This looks thick, so add little water to it. Give a mix. Put on the lid and let this cook on medium flame for 6 to 8 minutes. Now add cream and garam masala powder. Give a mix. Finally add in paneer. Again put on the lid and cook this on medium flame for just 5 minutes. Our methi paneer malai is ready. Serve this along with roti, naan or with rice. For homemade paneer recipe and other paneer recipes, you can directly click on these images. And if you like this video, then do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button which is right below this video. I will be back with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.